Let me answer your question this way, Joanne, and hopefully we'll bring out some of the specifics as well. So what society taught me about the Black woman was that she was bold, right? So society showed me very well how bold and assertive and strong the Black woman is and was, and society taught me as a Black woman that I can rise and I can conquer, right?
Yes.
And so society taught me to be strong. But what I didn't get from society was how to be beautiful as a Black woman in my truest essence. All right? So what society taught me as a Black woman about my beauty is that the more I veiled myself, and you'll be hearing me using the term veils referring to anything I used to cover up my identity, my Africanness, my identity in the truest sense.
Yes.
So society taught me as a Black woman that the more I veiled myself, so this is a paradox now, the more she veils herself is the more her beauty would shine through.
Wow.
Right? So the more she was able to depart from her truest essence, the more she was able to layer herself and depart from her Africanness, was the more esteemed she would become. So that's what society taught me. I learned a lot. In fact, I learned more about the Black woman's sexiness and sensuality than I learned about her beauty.